Hi everyone. So today we have another interesting radio. It's 1980s Pioneer and it's in prestige condition. And once again we did manage to install the Bluetooth in it. We kept everything original, cassette is playing perfectly, radio is playing, but it has a Bluetooth. So I'm gonna show you how to use it. Okay, so radio is working, cassette is working. Now, in order to activate Bluetooth, we have to click the LW button. It's very old long wave radio which has no use anymore any longer. So simply now we'll go to our phone. Here it is. That's it. Now we can go to YouTube. Sorry. And play any music we want. Ads, of course. 1 second. Cool, right? Now we can have a look how it looks in the dark. Perfect. This radio actually is in collectible condition. Let's try another song. Okay. Thumbs up, guys.